In our custom layout, for each item, we need to display an image view and a text view. For that, I need to create a model class. It's of type data class. And here I name it as shape. Click OK. And this data class will act as a model class. It represents the data structure or individual data items that your adapter is going to display. And since we have only image view and text view, I create inside this shape the variable of type int that it's linked with the image view, and another variable that it's linked with the text view. It's of type string. Name it as shape image. It's of type integer. And the second variable here is named shape name. It's of type string. I'll create val, and this is good. This is our data class. In the next video, we're going to create the adapter that's responsible for creating the view for each item and binding data to it.